Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to find the value of x from the given equation. Given that 5 and 12 are not common bases, what you do, you introduce logs on both sides. On the left-hand side, you'll have log of 5 to power 2x minus 1 is equal to, on the right-hand side, you also introduce log of 12 to power x. The next thing is that you bring this figure on this side and this one on this side. So you'll have 2x minus 1 log of 5 is equal to x log of 12. Divide both sides by log of 5 and both sides by x. In other words, what you want is to have x's on one side and logs on the other side. So taking the right hand side, in this case, what you'll have is log of 12, you'll get 1.0792 over log of 5 gives you 0.699. When you divide these two, you end up with 1.544. Remember, these are approximations. 2x minus 1 over x is equal to 1.544. The next thing you want to do is multiply both sides by x. So you'll have 2x minus 1 is equal to 1.544x. Bring this figure here on the side, common values. You have 2x minus 1.544x is equal to positive 1, because this one, you take it on the other side. So after doing your subtraction, you end up with 0.456x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 0.456, you're left with x on the left hand side being equal to 1 over 0.456. In other words, the value of x in this particular equation is, when you divide 1 by 0.456, is 2.193. That's your answer. See you in the next section. Bye-bye.